Hello, I'm Bill, a software engineer with 7+ years of experience specializing in Flutter development for past 4 years. I am passionate about creating stunning and efficient applications for macOS, Windows, Android, iOS, and web. My goal is not just to meet but exceed your expectations, ensuring that your app stands out and engaging users effectively. My expertise will bring your idea into life. My communication and collaborative approach will ensure that your vision is brought to life seamlessly. I'm really very excited about the possibility of working together, and I'm looking to hear from you. So let's make it happen.